welcome back to my channel. Today's video is this hair. I'm super excited about this hair because it's one of my most moisturized curly hair I ever received. Well, for this color. I mean, I feel like every other ginger color like this that I received, it was a little bit on the dry side, but this one is really nice. It's not no crazy shedding or nothing like that. So I'm here to show you guys how I got this hairstyle, though not really to talk about anything else. So I did like a little two cornrow thing and little curly pieces at the front, and this hairstyle is inspired by Chung Effect on TikTok. If you watch TikTok, you see her. She's so pretty. But today's video is a collaboration with Nadula Hair. They did decide to send me over this wig. This is their ginger curly wig. I will have all the specs down below and the links if you're interested. I really recommend that you guys get this specific wig if you're looking for a ginger curly hair. I never really like tell you guys like, oh yeah, go get this curly. No, but this color and this curly hair specifically, they did that. It's really nice. So I want to show you guys what came in their box. So this is the box. It came in the regular packaging, but they did give me a bunch of stuff, which you know I always say like, oh, this company didn't give me a lot of stuff, or this company didn't give me no stuff. But today they did give me quite a few stuff, so I just wanted to show you guys what's in the packaging. So they sent over 2 elastic bands, one with their name, one without their name, and I love these because it helps to help to hold my wig down. Especially I use spray to put my wigs on. I don't use glue, so these really are handy. Okay, so they gave me 2 of those. They gave me a regular satin bag so I can store the wig if I don't want to store it in the plastic. They gave me 3 wig caps. 3 wig caps. And these wig caps are the new quality that they have. Let me show you exactly what they look like. I did not use one today. I just used like my regular brown wig cap, but these are the new wig caps that they have now, and it's so freaking thin. I love it. Look how thin that is. Like, what? Your wig will be super melted when you're doing like glue installs and stuff with this specific cap. So they gave me 3 of those, a bonnet. I'm not gonna open these things because sometimes I have little like sales or giveaways and stuff, and I give this to you guys, so I don't like to open it and mess with it, because why? One of you guys will get this. So this brush, this is a brush to like put on your foundation on the lace, and then some lash. That's all the stuff that came in the packaging. So let's get right into the video. I don't want it to be too long of me talking. I just want to go ahead and show you guys how I got this hairstyle, because if you're like in high school, or like, I don't know, you want to be cute on vacation, I feel like this is really a vibe. And if you're interested in these little beads, I got them from Shein for like $1, so I'm gonna try to link them down below in the description box. And also this is my newest purchase from Amazon, so I will have this linked down below too if you guys are interested in this specific one. It's really high quality in my opinion. I love it. It gets hot super fast, so I will have that down below. If you're interested in any of the products that I'm using, sprays, any hair products, or tools, I do have them linked down below, so just check my description box and they should be there. And if they're not there, leave me a comment in the comment section. And I want you guys to leave me some orange hearts and some bears in the comment section as well. Oh, and I'm thinking if I should do a giveaway. Should I give away this wig? Comment down below if you guys want me to give away this wig, and then I'll put the information on my Instagram, or I'm gonna have it in the next video that's coming up, the information for the giveaway. I'm gonna start like doing like random giveaways of these wigs because I do get them from the companies and stuff, so I'm gonna give away some of them. Comment down below if you think that's a good idea, and let me know if you like this video. So let's get right into this video. I don't want to be talking. So I'm starting off cleaning my skin with the alcohol. This is very important, or your wig is not gonna stick how you want it to stick. This is how the hair is looking, nice and curly. This is one of my favorite ginger wigs. It's not dry at all. So I'm putting that on first, and then I'm going to go ahead and cut off the air tabs. This is important. Make sure you cut it off. Make sure it's laying nicely behind your ear. And then I'm going to apply 4 layers of this ebon lace spray. I just love this spray. It's just so good. Make sure it's tacky in between, and just apply the layers once it's tacky. Now I'm going to put it down into the lace. Make sure that you center this because your wig is going to feel weird if it's not centered. I am blowing this on cool air because it wasn't dry enough for it to stick properly, and I'm using the comb to press it in. And then I'm going to tie it down for 10 minutes. The packaging says 10 minutes, do 10 minutes, okay? I'm parting out the front of the hair, and then I'm going to cut the both sides just because the front was a little bit too much, so I had to customize it to my hairline. So I'm just cutting it like this using the razor. And that's just going to give it a jagged edge. It's going to make it look so natural. I love that this wig was not overly processed. So the lace is not as dark as how other wigs lace is dark when it's colored hair. It's really good. They did a good job coloring this wig. So I'm sealing off the hairline, and you can see it looks white. So we're gonna have to go in with some foundation. I'm going in with the Ruby Kisses two-sided foundation like normal. This is my skin color in the color 14. And I'm just using the edge brush to break up any cast. And I love doing baby hairs. Most people don't like it, so if you don't like it, you don't have to do it. I'm doing some baby hairs on myself. So I'm just parting off these two areas. Sometimes I part off the middle of my hairline, but I'm not. And you might have to go in and pluck some of the hair out because it's too thick. You don't want thick edges because then it just looks like a wig. I mean, we know it's a wig, but at least make it look a little bit natural. So I'm plucking it to give it like more of a natural hairline, softer hairline, and I'm going to curl it. I don't know what possessed me to use this damn curling iron, and I burned my forehead. I'm using this razor comb to cut. Look how easy that was. Try out the razor comb method on your edges. It will be a lifesaver to you, okay? I should have used my flat iron, but I kept using this curling iron for whatever reason, and I freaking burned my forehead. This is super easy. I'm going in and plucking the hairline area just to make sure that it's nice and natural. I don't like it looking too thick, and then it's colored hair, so it's gonna look crazy. So just make it as natural as possible. I'm combing out those loose hairs, and then I'm gonna do the edges with some Gorilla Snot. I put it on the roots, and then I gently use my edge brush to swoop. And this is another tip. You want to dry this with warm air and cool air just so it's not going to move at all. That's going to save your life. When you're doing these edges, make sure you use your blow dryer and dry it when you get it to how you want it to look. So you see? I'm just going to swoop it, make it real nice, and then I'm going to blow dry it to make it stay in place. Okay guys, I decided to style this wig, so I'm using that same little curling iron, and I'm going to just wrap the hair all around this. I just wanted to have some nice curls. I could have went in with some water and just defined the curls because the curls are really pretty on this wig, but I wanted to try something new, so I'm just curling all over this hair wherever I brush the curls out and just give it like a different look. Once I'm done curling it, I decided to take two little pieces out on the side, and I'm gonna go ahead and curl that away from my face. This looks so freaking good. Like, you guys should try this hairstyle. Even if you have a black wig, just try out this hairstyle. I don't know, it's different and it's cute, and I just like it so much. So I just curl it like that. I should have curled this one going the opposite way, but oh well. And then I was thinking whether or not I should put the hair up, but then I decided to part it down the middle, hot comb it, and do two cornrows on each side. I did see Chung Effect do these two cornrow things on TikTok, so I was like, ooh, I should try that out. But it wasn't coming out the way I wanted to, so I did have to improvise. This looks so pretty. I'm just braiding this down, and I bought these beads from Shein for like $1. So I'm gonna put that at the ends of the hair. They look so pretty too. I don't know, they kind of give me plastic vibes, but it's serving its purpose, okay? And then I'm just putting on a rubber band and then put the hair down, and this looks so freaking cute. It's different, but it's also really pretty. I did go ahead and curl these two pieces at the front. I don't know why, but then I just like part the hair out and did a little mid ponytail, so it's not high but it's not low. It's just perfect right there. And then I just kind of play around with the hair, making sure that it's looking the way that I wanted to, going back in and curling little pieces that wasn't curled enough for me. And this is basically the hairstyle. It's so freaking easy to do and it's cute. Okay, make sure you guys invest in one of these little curling irons. I'll link it down below so you guys can find my exact one that I'm using. And then I really didn't like how it had so much curls right there, so I just pulled that back and then I pinned it up, and I liked it much better that way. Okay, you guys, this is the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to check out Nadula hair. I will have this wig linked down below, and don't forget to comment and let me know what you think about the giveaway idea that I told you guys earlier. And yeah, I absolutely love how this turned out, and if you did not check out my makeup video yet, make sure you do. I will have that linked at the top of my description box, so make sure you check it out. It's probably the one before this video. I'm gonna post it like 2 days after I post this video. I'm not sure, but make sure you check out that video because I'm showing you how to perfectly match your brows to your hair to tone it down so everything is looking cohesive, right? I absolutely enjoyed making this video for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what you guys want to see next. If you guys want to see a clothing haul or just something. I mean, I'd be buying a bunch of stuff, so I'm gonna show you guys a Shein haul. I literally bought this in the Shein stuff that I bought, so I'm gonna do a haul coming up, and I will definitely see you in my next one. Bye.